Sometimes the most sophisticated systems in the world depend on the simplest of devices. Take, for instance, telephony. Billions of dollars have poured into its infrastructure to enhance everything from switching systems to data transfer capacity. Poles have been used for over 90 years in our country, and hundreds of millions of them are in the need of treatment or replacement. An interesting quirk is that the recent developments are causing the need for safer methods of handling the challenge.
The changes in the utility industry and our utility in general to seek safer products have been dictated by the Environmental Protection Agency. The days of hauling retired power poles that have been taken out of service from years of service from the start of the cooperative, say 30 to 40 years ago, that's no longer an option to take them to a local landfill. They have to be disposed of properly or treated and kept in service longer than they were years ago.
Determining what is needed and who should help in the matter is an involved process.
At Glacier Electric, we evaluate our products with the use of EPA guidelines. We felt that after looking into the Genics product that it was the most environmentally friendly product available to effectively treat our power poles, both transmission and distribution.
In most circumstances, problems occur in utility poles at the ground line.
Problems with utility poles usually occur at the ground line because of the collection of water at that point, which leads to the spore fungal process, which works from the inside out, the outside in, slowly deteriorates the pole, affecting the pole's integrity, which could lead to failure.
There are many different approaches to this. Two of them are fumigants and diffusible treatments.
The fumigant is a gas inserted into the pole, which can escape through cracks or checks in the pole. It's a very hazardous material. The diffusible treatment is a very environmentally friendly treatment process. It's a copper boron rod made by Genics and enclosed in glass, which releases over time as needed.
For most of us homeowners, our electric and telephone bills are an integral part of our budgets. Any way we can benefit is of particular interest to us.
Homeowners can benefit from the same technology we use to preserve our power poles with the copper boron complex method offered by Genics in their own backyards, supporting fences, patios, and children's playground equipment without the worry of our children being exposed to any harmful chemicals.
This approach seems to ring true in a number of areas.
It's natural for Glacier Electric Cooperative to use the most environmentally friendly process available on the market today because our service area covers areas like Glacier National Park and other pristine areas. We want to preserve these type of areas for future generations to enjoy.
The largest number of these poles were installed in the latter part of the 20th century. Basically, it's crunch time for the industry and how to address the challenge. For World Business Review, I'm Christopher Thomas.